Here's part 1 of how to trim out a small window like this. All the tools and trims used on this project are detailed at the end and linked below. So I'll start at the center with some 5/4 flat stock. Next up is the inside box. So to measure for the top and bottom, I take some pieces of scrap and mark the edges. This will give me the measurement edge to edge for the top and bottom. I can rip everything else down for the face. For the reveal, I like to use a carpenter's pencil that's 1/4 of an inch. Alright, so now the box is done, so I'll just nail that off. Now I can move on to the face. Just going to do a quick dry fit. And I'm going to take the back side of those and lay it down and mark for the pocket screws. that about wraps up my work for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. See how I finish this window with a bunch of sanding, painting, caulking, and finishing tips. I'll have that posted by next week as I complete this small studio build. By the way, if you enjoyed the video or you learned something, consider giving this a thumbs up and save it for later. It's digital motivation.